So we're going to make a grilled cheese sandwich and just see how well this works. Do you live in a dorm, or you're just looking for a way to have the perfect sandwich without doing it on the stove? Maybe you only own a microwave, maybe you're in an RV or camping or whatever the reason is, and you don't have access to a stove and you just want to make the perfect grilled cheese sandwich, hot dog, whatever it is, and you want it to taste like it's going to come off the grill and look like it's going to be off the grill. Well, this is your solution. This is a sandwich maker that goes into the microwave. It is 100% safe and safe for the microwave. All you do is, for an example, with grilled cheese, you make it just the way you would on the stove. So you put the butter on the bread, put the bread here, put the cheese, the other bread with the butter on top. You close it and make sure it's sealed. That way it just stays and gives that nice grilled flavor, squeezing the sandwich together. You would do 2 minutes. Once it's done, open it up, flip it over, and then do 2 more minutes. And sometimes this varies with microwaves, so you might have to add 30 seconds or you might want to reduce 30 seconds. Just kind of keep an eye on it and remove it with an oven mitt just to keep yourself safe. This is silicone here. So that is good, that will not heat up too bad. This is a nice microwave safe material. You don't want to put it directly on a grill or a fire, but it is okay to put in the microwave.